Crafting great AI prompts is easier than you think. Good prompts make AI smarter. They save time and give you clear and useful answers. For instance, refining a single prompt can make results twice as accurate. By the end of this video, you'll know what prompts are and why they matter, how to write effective ones, real-world examples to help you improve, and practical ways to use them in your work or business. We'll break it down step by step. What prompts do, tips to make them better, and practical examples you can try. Stick around. This is simpler than you think. A prompt is what you say to AI to tell it what you need. Think of it like a question or something instruction for a helper. Imagine giving someone a recipe, like for chocolate chip cookies. If your steps are clear, they'll bake exactly what you want. If not, you might get a surprise. So clear prompts help AI give better answers. They can save time, fix mistakes, and make workflows simpler. What makes a good prompt? It's all about clarity, context, and specificity. First, we have clarity. Say exactly what you want. An example is, explain the difference between cash and accrual accounting in simple words. Second, context. So give background info so AI understands. Example, you're a marketing expert. Write a 200-word ad for a law firm specializing in personal injury. And specificity. Be detailed, not vague. Example, list 5 tax-saving tips for small businesses in bullet points. Learning from both good and bad prompts helps you fine-tune your instruction for better results. So, scenario 1, summarizing a document. A bad prompt would go something like this. Summarize this. A good prompt would be, summarize this legal document in 200 words, focusing on deadlines and key responsibilities. Scenario 2, writing an email. A bad prompt would be something like, write me an email. A good prompt would be more like, write a polite email explaining a pricing update and inviting the client to meet. Keep it under 150 words. And scenario 3, generating ideas. A bad prompt is, give me some ideas. A good prompt would be more like, suggest 3 creative social media campaigns for promoting an AI tool for accountants. Include hashtags. So here are quick tips to leveling up your prompt. Start simple and refine. For example, start with summarize this article, then refine it to summarize in 200 words, focusing on benefits for small businesses. Next, use roles. For example, you're a lawyer. Draft a 250-word letter explaining next steps in a divorce case. Next, set limits. An example might be, explain tax deadlines in 100 words. And next, follow up. An example might be, expand on point 3 with examples. Here's how prompts work in everyday business. For law firms, you can draft client letters, create legal documents, or answer FAQs. An example, list required documents for a custody case in plain language. For accounting firms, it might be write tax summaries, automate email templates, or build compliance checklists. An example might be draft a 100-word email about upcoming tax deadlines for small businesses. Marketing teams might use it for generating ad copy, brainstorm ideas, or write social media posts. An example, Create a 50-word ad promoting an AI-powered CRM for startups. Prompts are the key to unlocking AI's potential. Clear, detailed prompts save time, reduce errors, and get you reliable results. Remember, clarity, context, and specificity are the secret ingredients. Now, if you need help creating prompts or setting up AI workflows, email me at steve@precisionaisystems.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.